Welcome! In front of me I have smartwatch Hama 7010 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First we need to open the Hama Fit application on the phone that is paired with our watch. So let's open the app menu, find the Hama Fit Move. Once you find it, tap on the icon to open the application. In the app you should see the home page. Now tap on the device icon to open the device page. On this page you should see your smartwatch 7010. Tap on it, then scroll down and at the bottom you will see device or delete device option. Tap on it, then tap on yes. The watch will disappear from the device page, and that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.